What's up, my babies? Welcome back to my channel at BeatsByDeb, here Deb for short. I am about to fleek my best friend for her 20th birthday because period. Go follow her at Special K or K with the fade. You see them waves popping, sis, period. Or her YouTube because she was vlogging this, okay, for her birthday. She is the most kind-hearted person I've ever met in my entire life. I love her. Love you so much. You always support me. It's time to get it popping, okay, period. She was so cute for her birthday. As you can see, I'm starting with her brows. So for her brows, I just filled them in a little bit. We're not going too much because I'm not about to make her brows 2 inches bigger than what it is. You know, we all know a makeup artist that does that. I done been there, sis. You done been there, sis. It's okay. Okay, we know now that we do brows according to our eyebrow shape, okay? So, yeah, I just filled that in with the Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade and Ebony. And then she was vlogging. I'm just... Oh, hold on. Oh, period. Okay, because she didn't know she was about to love them glasses like that because it came with the outfit, making that, ooh, she just looks so good, y'all. So yeah, I mixed shade 13 and I believe that was shade 8 in the Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm using my Morphe 224 brush to conceal her brows. And then I packed on some P. Louise base in the shade number 6 onto her lids to prep for her eyeshadow. I'm blending that in with a buffing brush from TG Supply on Instagram. And here we go. I'm using the mini Masquerade palette from Juvia's Place, and we're doing nude. So she wanted a glitter cut crease, but those glasses she tried on earlier, she wanted that like nude color to show through the cut crease. So that's what we did. We didn't do nothing too heavy, too crazy. It was definitely a birthday beat, okay, period. So I'm just using my Morphe brushes and just blending this all into her crease. Not really going all the way up to the brow bone, just a nice little faded effect, nothing too heavy. And dance break, shoulders, period, poo, period. So I am now cutting her crease, and I'm using my Inglot. Y'all need to get this if y'all do glitter cut creases a lot. The Inglot liners. It's like a glitter liner or something like that. I'm gonna have that in the description below, the exact shade, but this is like the silver one because we were doing silver glitter. So I just used one of my P. Louise brushes to cut her crease, and I just drew out exactly how big I wanted the cut crease. Now, because we're doing a dramatic wing with this look, I did cut the crease quite big. I'm just letting y'all know that now. I know it's big. I know it's not nothing looking simple or nothing like that. It was a dramatic eye. That's what she wanted. So that's what we did, okay? So yeah, after I cut her crease with that gel liner, I made sure to go on top of the gel liner with a shimmer from that same Masquerade palette. It's the silver shimmer that they had in there. Oh, I love this shimmer, so pretty. I went on top of the gel liner with that and then took that same nude, like brownish pink shade and blended that on top of the shimmer just to give a faded effect. So when I add the wing and the glitter, it'll all come together. It look nice and faded and blended. Now I'm doing her dramatic, okay? We not playing no games, baby. This is a Nikki wing right here, okay? Her dramatic wing. Yes, she has creased eyelids. She has a real crease eyelid, but guess what? That didn't stop Deb, okay? We did a big cut crease because in the end, the liner looks like that, okay? Because, period. Then I added some holographic glitter on top, and as you can see, it was not focused, but boom, when it focuses, blinding, exactly. And then, oh, what are those? BeatsByDeb Cosmetic Lashes, period. I did a little line of eyelash glue on top of her lash line and some eyelash glue on the lashes and applied them effortlessly, okay? I have a little mini tutorial on Instagram. Let me know in the comments if y'all want to see a full tutorial of me doing some more eyelashes. I done that before, but we can do it again. It's fine. So yeah, I just applied those, and now I'm moving on to the face. We applied a hydrating primer. a glowing primer because this skin is everything, y'all. When I tell y'all it looked like skin on her, I was shook. I'm like, okay, period. So I'm using the stick foundations from Juvia's Place for her foundation, and we found it after some shade matching. Look at this shade match, y'all. Oh my god. When I tell y'all that is her exact skin tone, I was like, oh girl, this is in the shade Cameroon, I believe is how it's pronounced, Cameroon or something like that. And I said, oh sis, I'm gonna write this down for you because you need this. Like, oh my god, it was perfect. So I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place foundation brush. She was modeling for us, okay, period. I'm using the Juvia's Place foundation brush, and we gonna buff this. That brush is so soft. Oh my god, I was like, bro, it feels like a massage. It feels like heaven. I'm like, dang. And this is my first time using it actually on anybody. I hadn't even used it on myself yet, so I'm like, oh girl, this right here, oof. She said I feel like heavy. She could fall asleep. Okay. So yeah, this I'm just using this to buff everything in, blend everything in. Oh, perfect. I said, you gotta turn. You gotta show them that this just melted in your skin so perfectly. I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 13, and we're just gonna highlight her face. So this concealer, it is not a thick consistency or anything like that, but it is full coverage. So I did use a thin layer of it. Despite what it looks like, y'all, I really don't like a lot of concealer, so I did not use a lot of it. She wanted a skin-like finish. She didn't want too heavy of products on the face, so it looked like a lot. Trust me, it wasn't. When I start blending it, I'm like, it is a good match for her, but it was kind of neutral. So I used a more yellow based powder when I set everything. So like after I contoured, this was the foundation. Oh my god, the foundation stick again. I'm using to contour her face, and I used the beauty blender to buff everything into her skin. To make it not too heavy, because with a brush things can get a little heavy, okay? So I definitely used my beauty blender or whatever. Ooh, her nose was snatched, honey. Okay, period. After I blended everything in with that, though, I did use a yellow powder because, like I said, that concealer is a neutral tone. I love using it, and then I use a yellow powder on top of it as well. So this was the setting powder in the shade Kalahari from Juvia's Place as well. And first, I just started out by pressing everything into the skin. She doesn't have dry skin, but she doesn't have oily as well. We just want everything to be set throughout the night. You know what I'm saying? So I did pack it on at first, and then I baked her face a little bit by adding some extra on top. I didn't bake her face for long or anything. It just sat for maybe like 2 minutes. And then I blended everything in together. First, I blended it away with a brush. I'm skipping steps, y'all. This was the contour powder. Actually, it wasn't contour powder. What I do is I take my Juvia's Place palette. What palette is that? The Zulu palette. And I use that brown shade. I love that shade. It's like the perfect like bronze shade for some brown skin, y'all. I suggest if you're brown skin or even my skin tone, because I use it. It is so pretty. So yeah, after I dusted away the powder, I sprayed her face and did the under eye, which was just some black liner on her waterline, and just buffing in some browns and blacks to smoke everything out. And then, whoa, this highlight, honey, come on now. This is the Juvia's Place highlighter, the Royalty 2 highlighter. Oh my god, I love loose highlighter. It just hit different, y'all. It just hits so different, I swear. We do like a blinding highlight. Yes, we do. But as you can see, I did take my beauty blender and I blended some away because, you know, baby, this can be a little heavy at it. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, let me not blind everybody on her birthday. Like, she wanted a skin-like finish, Deb. She wanted a skin-like finish, Deb. She wanted a skin-like finish. Like, I had to convince myself, like, calm down, sis, okay? So after that, I did do her lips, which I used the contour palette from Anastasia, one of the brown shades in the deep palette. And I outlined her lips. I love doing that instead of lip liner because it blends so much easier. And then this is a gloss from Juvia's. Woo, this gloss was so pigmented, girl. I put it on my lips. I said, hold on, bestie, wait. Let me see what this look like on me, because it was so pretty. I'm like, bruh, this is the perfect just nude for so many people. Like, I loved it. And then I added some Beats by Deb Cosmetics clear gloss on top because y'all not ready, okay, period. Go follow that Instagram page. Y'all are not ready, period, okay? But yeah, I added that on top and I sprayed her face again because, baby, oh, come through, bestie. She did that. We did that, okay? That's just that on that. I have to throw all these phrases away, y'all. Don't mind me. Period is going out the window. January 2020, okay? Because I used it too much this year. Jesus Christ. But yes, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all liked, comment, and subscribed. And I will see you all in my next video, okay? Look at my best friend. She is so beautiful. I love you all so much. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.